Hi there, you've got Jonah here with Range Road. I'm standing in front of our new ComPro650 Firewood Processor. This unit is larger than our EcoPro series, heavier duty, and it comes equipped with a 36 horse gas engine. It does have its own integral log table right here as well with powered in-feed rollers. We've got a hydraulic log clamp right here. And if we move over to the controls over here, we've got joystick controls for all the functions and 2 levers for the RAM. We have pressure gauges right here showing the pressure of whatever function you're using. And it's got an emergency kill switch right here. We've got a heavy duty electric winch on the machine with a nice conveyor with the chain on it. Much more robust than the belt system on the smaller EcoPro units. So the table on this unit also folds up like you see here for transport, but you can lower it down and unfold it and it will actually be about double this length, so you can handle a few logs at once without having to reload the table. The conveyor is a little over 10 feet long on this unit, and as you can see it's folded in half right now for travel, but it does unfold and gets to the full 10-foot length. On the other side of the machine here, we have a hydraulic oil cooler with a fan. Helps they can keep things nice and cool in the hot days. We have an electric 12-volt solenoid for your bar oil. So we have some handy storage compartments right here, just 3 of them. You can store tools, gloves, whatever you need in there. We have good access to the battery right here in the key assembly. Here you can see the hydraulic oil filters right there. And the fuel tank that slides out for easy filling. And this unit also has a hydraulic cylinder to raise and lower the wedge. And then over here you've got a 25-inch bar, and the unit can handle up to 20-inch diameter logs. And that's a quick overview of the new ComPro650.